Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Shopify store. First, you'll want to choose a memorable name for your online shop and secure a custom domain. Next, select a Shopify plan that aligns with your business size and goals, whether you're just starting or scaling up. Finally, input all your crucial business information, including contact details and legal policies, to ensure a smooth and professional foundation for your e-commerce journey. This initial setup is key to building a strong online presence. Once your basic store is ready, it's time to populate it with your amazing products. Begin by uploading crisp, high-resolution images and writing compelling, detailed descriptions for each item. Then, organize your products into intuitive collections, making it simple for customers to find exactly what they're looking for. Don't forget to set up product variants, such as different sizes, colors, or materials, to offer a complete range of choices. This step brings your store to life with your offerings. Now, let's make your store visually stunning and reflective of your brand. Start by choosing a professional and responsive theme from the Shopify theme store that resonates with your aesthetic. Personalize it by adjusting colors, selecting appropriate fonts, and uploading your brand's logo. Arrange your homepage sections strategically to highlight key products, promotions, and information, creating an engaging and user-friendly experience. A well-designed store builds trust and encourages customers to explore further. You're almost ready to go live. First, meticulously configure your shipping rates and define your delivery zones to ensure accurate costs for your customers. Next, integrate secure payment gateways, offering popular options like credit card processing and digital wallets to facilitate smooth transactions. Before hitting that launch button, take a moment to thoroughly review all your settings, from product details to legal pages. Once everything is perfect, you can confidently open your virtual doors to the world.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.